Welcome back. We have a very interesting debate going, which is grading versus marks, percentages of the recent class 10 exams. Well, Mitul, if I get back to you, Indian schools हमारे में है ही ये कि हम rote learning पर थोड़ा emphasis करते हैं. You know, like you said कि अब वो थोड़ा हट गया है कि with this new system of grading.
See, let us understand, you know, what was our initially जो हमारा system था गुरुकुल्स थे, and how we got into this examination and test system, how we got into these textbooks. See, the Britishers, we still follow the British education system, which was, you know,
right,
which was set up based upon, you know, creating that kind of a babu culture. कि examination क्या होता था, पहले क्या था, गुरुकुल्स थे, you would probably the gurus would give ज्ञान to the children,
mentors, and
it was not structured.
Right.
तो textbooks सबसे पहले textbooks किस लिए आए, because you know उसको structure करके, you know, जो हमें पढ़ाना है, what we are saying, children have to learn that, and then they created this examination system जहाँ पे कि, you know, it is very point to, you know, बाबू culture जो होता है कि ये अगर ऐसा है तो ऐसा होना चाहिए, and ये this is what is going to be tested. See, now the whole purpose of evaluation is not trying to test कि बच्चे को क्या आता है. That is not the whole purpose. We need to test or evaluate a child कि बच्चे को क्या नहीं आता है, जो कि हम उसको सिखा सकते हैं, पढ़ा सकते हैं.
पर वो तो होता ही नहीं है, हम फिर भी वहीं पर पहुंच, because we still want those marks.
So no, but at the end of the day, this CC, the whole evaluation, it is going to take a number of years.
Do you think somewhere you need to train the teachers?
Yes. Yes, constant training is
required.
Like if you talk about, you know, admissions to any American university or any college in UK, what is the basis of their admission?
Okay, let me just get back to Ankur. Sir, one moment. Ankur, तुम्हें लगता है कि ये new system था कि pressure हट जाए? Of course, you are the bright child and of course done very well with IIT. तुम्हें लगा कि वो इस new system के साथ, with your students, with your friends in place, this new system has helped कि वो pressure थोड़ा कम हो जाए?
कुछ के लिए बहुत कम हो गया, मतलब जिन्होंने जो 60% पे थे वो आराम से थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो गए कि अगर हम 65 पे पहुंच गए, कोई चेक नहीं करने आ रहा कि हम कहाँ पर हैं. बट अब प्रॉब्लम आ गई ऊपर वाले लेयर में, जैसे A1 ग्रेड वाले बहुत ज्यादा आने लग गए. अब एडमिशंस +1 के लिए क्रैप हो गए, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वांट्स नॉन मेडिकल, एवरीबडी इज क्राउडिंग प्राइवेट स्कूल्स. वहाँ क्राउडिंग आ गई, वहाँ अभी प्रेशर दोबारा बढ़ गया.
So again, how do you do that? How do you get to that?
Actually, this is a problem which he has indicated to. Actually, this is going to be still, this problem is going to remain for admissions in the higher classes. Last year you heard the story of DU cutoff marks. 99 and all that. And I just want to indicate towards 3 issues which relate to quality. See, when Kapil Sibal ji said this cutoff marks and all that, even in grading system they are going to be taken care of. Because when you are in grading A1, you are having 1/8 of the top in A1, then next 1/8 in the, it's a percentile kind, right? Now, we don't have much of institutions, good institutions. The number of institutions have to be increased. Now, there were 2 comments which were made by Kapil Sibal. He said that this cutoff is irrational and exclusionary. ये बाहर निकालती है सभी को. दूसरा कमेंट में आपको एक जो नेस्कॉम का चेयरमैन है, उनका ये आया था, and it is very telling and relates to quality. कि well, people are getting 90%, 99%, 100% and all that. But linguistic skills, cognitive skills and ideational skills, दोनों में वो इतने poor हैं कि उनको हमें employment देने में problem आ रही है.
Yes.
और third comment which was professed by Professor Yashpal, it was a very anguished statement by him. He said that by mugging up, they have learnt nothing but washed up their creativity.
Yeah.
Now this is the situation. I hope that things will improve, but I'm not going to remain in such a fool's paradise that everything is going to improve by this. See, unless and until we take a very hard look on the quality, unless and until we take this very hard look on the pedagogical issues that are involved, then the things are not going to improve. And moreover, it's not a race up to the top position. That's not the issue today. The issue today is, if you go into the larger perspective in the country, the issue today is that you have a youth, and it's a great in number. And then you
You're going to have the youngest population
of
by
course.
20.
And then
20.
you have to
Yeah.
have a skillful youth, and then you have to cater to the needs of all that. And this is not only an issue related to
I
education.
agree. You know,
it's a political economy also.
Dr. Puri's view is like an educationist, and we all would agree.
Yeah. But there is a slight change. Like if you want to study in Delhi University, for example, you want to pursue economics honors in a college like St. Stephen's or JMC, they have their separate entrance exam. You want to do English honors, or you want to get into journalism.
So more and more
colleges,
colleges.
I think in times to come there are going to be separate exams for just
So your
just
class
CBSE
doesn't
is-
matter?
No, they will matter to a large extent. A lot of weightage will be given, but weightage will also be given for other issues, your other talents, which will come in forefront. It's like cracking an
definitely-
IIT exam.
No, because
Flower.
it's not going to be the, because the whole purpose, even if you look at the entrance exam for IIT,
Yes.
certain weightage has been given for class 12th
Exam.
From
exam
next year.
also.
From next year.
year. So you can't have these entrance exams for colleges.
You can't have it, but we do have it.
See, then this is not going to solve the
That
problem.
again doesn't solve the problem.
This doesn't
Yes,
solve the
it
problem,
doesn't solve.
because then you just put one in the test for
No, class 10th
summer
हटा देंगे,
admission.
उसके बाद हम class
ऐसा
12th में
नहीं
रख देंगे, एक और exam रख देंगे. So what he said correctly was, we need to have good institutions coming up, which take care of the number of children who are passing class 12th.
And especially like the top grade, which is the A1 category. I mean, where do they all of them go?
See, I am worried about B1, C1.
C1s,
Why should they not be taken care of? Because you know, when you just see, it's just a very minuscule percentage of the toppers that would be taken care of.
Care of.
See, then you.
They can take care of themselves.
But then you know, then we don't address to the problem actually.
What one thing is, it is not that all the students will go to IIT. They will become the engineers or doctors. There are other fields also. Some of them will be good musicians, good shopkeepers.
But we see the
and
glut
the-
of engineers,
Yes, let's hear good.
glut of private institutions coming up, and the quality of students there, especially in the engineering courses.
Yeah.
You're right,
Non-medical.
very
They're
right.
just even if a person is scoring 35 or getting a compartment +2,
Yeah.
he will be going for non-medical.
Yes.
So again, quality.
नहीं, उसके बाद IIT करके फिर किताबें लिखते.
That's the problem.
Some do write the thing also.
So we.
Wasted of resources.
So that's the whole idea of the CC program, you know, evaluating children on the scholastic as well as co-scholastic. तो उसमें क्या है कि अभी class 10 का जो उसमें है CC जो whole pattern is there, and it would take some time and probably a couple of years to open up fully, and for people to as you said, a lot of teacher training has to be teachers have to go undergo those training. प्रोजेक्ट वर्क बढ़ गया है, ठीक है, असाइनमेंट्स बढ़ गए, सो ऑल दीज वुड टेक केयर ऑफ
पर असाइनमेंट्स और प्रोजेक्ट वर्क में भी आप 90% दे देते हो.
नहीं दे देते हैं, ठीक है, बट एटलीस्ट रोड लर्निंग से तो बाहर आ रहे हैं
पर
ना.
प्रोजेक्ट वर्क में भी आजकल क्या हो रहा है? मार्केट्स ओपनिंग अप.
दे दो.
Yeah, there are professionals. You pay them an X price, and your project is ready.
Yeah,
But that depends on the schools.
That depends on the school.
That depends
you
on the
will
school.
find some of the dummy schools are there. Students, they are going to the coaching centers. This is not in the KVs, Navodayas or good government schools. They have to stay in the school. They have to work there.
Was it prevalent
They
in
have
the
to maintain the projects.
Yes, it is
It is
prevalent
there,
everywhere.
even I know about that. It's very much prevalent. What school could do is that at least children are doing some bit of the project in the school hours, which will at least make the child more accountable to the school, rather than go outside, get it.
So when you get the project from outside, जब आप जाके टीचर को देते हो, पता नहीं लगता कि ये घर से बनाए या ये बाहर से
It
लिया?
doesn't
Yeah.
Nobody has. Yeah.
Nobody has the time to look up. If you have to look up.
Okay, very valid point. एक तो
Nobody has
projects
the
दे दो.
time.
हाँ जी, we want to get you away from rote learning, but the teachers don't have the time.
That is why.
So much of us
See, that's what I'm talking about. Schools,
Where
head
are
of the
we? Where are we
institutes,
heading really?
head of the institutes need to have that kind of conscience. The teachers.
How do you change a teacher's conscience?
See, it can be based upon, अगर एक स्कूल का हेड का अगर if I am conscious about probably looking at systems, you know, which have to be implemented. मेरे स्कूल में तो कोई नहीं लेकर आ सकता है.
बड़ा परसेंटेज देखो ना ऐसे स्कूल्स की.
मुझे एक बात
So
याद
if
आती है.
the student is
Anji, sir, we have 2 minutes.
getting
Yes,
a
Dr. Puri.
semi-completed project in school, then I would say that yes, he is going to be doing it himself. But if you one fine day when you have to submit the project and that's the only day the teacher is getting to see the final product, then there can be hanky-panky
See,
for
one
sure.
one can be more careful about it. पर मुझे लगता है कि CCE के आ जाने से एक टीचर्स के ऊपर पहले ये शिकायत उनको रहती थी कि जब हमसे ये कहा जाता है कि आप क्रिटिकल पेडागोजी फॉलो करो, कि बच्चों को सवाल करने के लिए उनको एक ताकत उनकी पैदा करो और उनको रोट मेमोरी में नहीं डालो, हम क्या करें, एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम ऐसा है. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि अब वो जो शिकायत थी वो इससे दूर हो जाएगी. तो शायद वो जो क्रिटिकल पेडागोजी जो NCF 2005 कहता है, शायद अब हम लागू करने की स्थिति में हो जाएंगे शायद.
चलो I barely have a minute, but do you feel कि ये जो नया सिस्टम है is anyway better than what
It
you
is much better.
It is
Much better.
That's the unanimous. Ankur, any last words? No? Yes.
Okay.
Why not?
बिकॉज बच्चों को प्रेशर डील करने का आपका मतलब ही समझ आ रहा. +1 +2 में आते हैं, गिरने शुरू हो जाते हैं लाइक 9 pins.
So that is true. I mean, I don't think
Pressure
we've really
handling.
taken off the pressure. Well, thank you so much for being with me, and I'll just close with this. Class 10 is a rite of passage considered essential, and there will be very few who would want it done away with it altogether. It's a student's first public exposure. There's this whole you are on the test aspect, which does put pressure, but also prepares the student for challenges life has to offer. The Class 10 boards harden the students, but the large aspect remains. Grading works only where schools rise to the occasion. We'll leave it at that. Thank you for watching.